Hi guys, Reb here. Just thought I'd make some deviled eggs, and reading the egg boiling thread, I keep wondering why people can't peel eggs without problems. I guess I've never had too many problems. I was taught to boil eggs that were at least a week old though. Week old, home from the store. So that's what I've always done. So I thought either let's see how I do it or make a complete boob out of myself again on camera. So I've got here 5 eggs. I just got done boiling a minute ago. Cooled off in some cool water. My 2 hands, nothing up my sleeves. Okay, let's see if we can peel them okay. Here we go. Let's give them 2 good taps. And give it a little pull on the shell. Hopefully I can do this in my 1 or 2 piece bit. Oh, there's one. One down. And these are probably a little warmer than room temp right now. And I just slowly pull on the shell. Come on, little guy. Don't stick and make me look dumb. Two down. Let's go for 3. These are just plain old ordinary Quick Trip large eggs. I got, I think it was last weekend. 99 cents a dozen they're down to. Okay, come on little fella. Look at that, 1 piece, 3 down. I think we could keep going here, but I don't know how much I can record on this, so I'll say I was successful on that. So good luck guys. I'll be posting this in a few minutes.